Hello everyone. Today I have a fun video for y'all. I'm going to do an unboxing video of this huge and massive box that Stamperia sent me. Yes, Stamperia has sent me this amazing box filled with goodies, and I'm going to tell you later why. But let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so the box is filled with a whole lot of products. So to begin with is this mixed media art range. So there's the black modeling paste, the gesso, the sculpture paste, and have used this and I really love it because it's thick once it sets and almost gives a nice cast of anything really. Then the mixed media glue, which is another fantastic product because it adheres anything and everything. Then there's this transfer gel, which is suitable for all sorts of surfaces. Then there is the 3D pearl pen, which looks really interesting in the sense that I'm sure I can create some beautiful pearl effect with this sort of a sky blue color. Then there's this 3D transparent finish heavy body liquid. It's a water-based liquid and it gives a 3D transparent finish. So I already have some amazing ideas of how to use it. So I can't really wait to get my hands on playing with it. Glitter, of course, the silver and a pink glitter. Who doesn't love glitter, right? Then the gold and silver liners. These are water-based and I think they would be good to create fine lines, to outline something, as well as I'm thinking to sort of doodle in my journal, maybe, yes. Then there's this mirror effect liquid, which I need to really explore. But okay, wow, okay, so you can use it on any surface and it sort of gives a mirror finish. So this is another interesting product here. Then there's this brown water-based patina gel and it's good for creating shading and an aged look. Okay, that's interesting. Then there is this sort of a texture powder. It's called Granelli di Luna or Moon's Grains. And it's this fine powder which I'm sure I can mix with things to create some fantastic texture. Okay, what else? Some pigment ink pads, a gold and a copper shade. Then I have these high definition stamps and let's open and look at them. They are rubber stamps and wow, okay, they look really good. They're quite sturdy and I'm sure are great while stamping. So it's this and this. Okay, then I have something interesting here. These are called texture impressions modeling molds and they are thin and they have some amazing mixed media style designs. It says beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Then this is another design. My brain is running with so many ideas. Wings to fly. Oh, love this. Love it. The butterfly, of course. Then what else? Okay, there's this felt, a red and grey color felt. Then I have some big stencils. Again, amazing artist, a person who creates paintings or drawings as a profession or hobby. Haha, synonyms: creator, designer, fine artist. All about art. So that's one stencil. Then I have this steampunky time machine stencil. And this one says something. It's very mystical. Love it. And I have two more in a smaller size, this wood grain effect and this steampunk clocks with gears. So those are the stencils. Then I have these silicone molds, and these are amazing, I have to tell you, because they can be used with a lot of materials, with ceramic powder, with clay, with modeling paste. This one is a Christmas theme, but I already had one of these, and I'm going to quickly grab and show you what I created with them. This is the mold that I had with me, and I used the ceramic powder, and that's the cast that I got, and it's so lovely to use on several mixed media projects. So this time, this one is a Christmas theme, which is fabulous. Then I have these handmade papers in two different sizes, the small and the big, with a pack of handmade paper envelopes. And now I'm just going to create some space for the paper collections that they have sent me. You can see my table is so full with everything that I need to look for place. Okay, I think this should be good. Okay, so firstly, there are some loose scrapbooking paper sheets, which are double-sided papers. Love this, and that element there, oh my god, such an amazing paper collection. Another lovely paper there. So all these make for some good backgrounds as well as some focal elements. These would do so good for Christmas cards. Okay, and then I have some rice paper. So that's the rice paper. Decoupage papers. Look at the beautiful elements. Haha, the cute cat for Christmas wishes. Santa on his way. And then are these fabulous paper collections. So this one is called Clockwise, and they're all 12 by 12 inches and double-sided papers and 170 GSM in weight. So that's a look at the pad. Oh my god, such vintage elements, steampunk elements. Oh, such cute tags, and with some quotes and phrases. Wow, the key of your time. Spending today complaining about yesterday won't make today any better. That's true. More bigger tags. Okay, this is amazing because it is going to be such a fantastic element for layering. Then there's Sealand. So that's a look at Sealand. Lovely, lovely elements. Oh, take me to the beach. The voice of the sea speaks the soul. How true. You can find yourself where the wind meets the water. Surprisingly, I'm headed to the beach today. So this is so much inspiration. I think I'm just going to carry it with me and create something while I'm at the beach. And lastly is this Wonderland paper pack. Ah, such beautiful colors and lovely unicorn elements there. This is a whole lot of goodies that Stamperia has sent me. And why? Because early 2019 we have something fantastic coming for you. I can't tell you more than that. It's a secret. But all I can say is watch out. Stay tuned for more updates. So ensure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook for regular updates so that you don't miss this big event. And also visit Stamperia's website because as you can see, they have a whole lot of product range, not just for mixed media, not for just for paper crafters, but for anybody. There's something for everybody who wants to create something. And the product range is vast and it's amazing. So you should check out their website. And until our next time, take care and bye bye.